Ka Dorbar Mangtyngka Jong ka Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla Meghalaya kan Sdang Naduh ka arpu praterik rumpang bat kan kutpat haduk kat lai terik ulber arjar arpusan. Ya kini lepentep da ulampang ka Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka Meghalaya Thomas Sangma hadin ka Jingelang Jong ka Business Advisory Committee ka belalong ha kini ka sengi palai. Ya ka Jingelang Jong ka Business Advisory Committee la kliat da ulampang ka Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla Thomas Sangma ha ka Jingedon lang usembut Menteri Rangba bakmi ya ka Parliamentary Affairs ba Preston Tensong unong yalam ka Liang Persya Dr. Mukul Sangma unong yalam ka TMC ba Charles Pingrop unong aibut ka Sorkar ba Lakmen Remboy lembat kiwe.
Today we had the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee to hold the budget session of 2025. So in this Business Advisory Committee meeting, which was attended by Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Parliamentary Affairs, also the Leader of Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, and other senior MLAs in the person of Mr. Charles Pingrop and Mr. Lakmen Remboy, and also the officials from the Parliamentary Affairs Department and Assembly Secretariat. So in this meeting we have decided to have decided on the calendar for the ensuing budget session 2025, which will commence from 28th of February 2025, and we will be having 10 full working days, which will conclude on the 13th of March 2025, where we will have 3 private members business and the rest 7 government business days, working days. So this is in the calendar for the ensuing budget season.